Turn your creativity into cash earnings this year. In this video, I'm breaking down how to build a content creation business step by step. I go by BK and I'm mainly a run and gun videographer slash content creator based in Boston. And I've helped produce story-driven content for creators and businesses such as Puma, Lacoste, and Concepts. And even launched YouTube channels for trending brands like Archive, which are the hats that Kai Cenat and like creators like Duke wear. Anyways, if you want to work with brands like that, stick around. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what tools to use, how to pitch yourself, and the mindset you need to succeed this year in content creation. Step 1, find a relative niche and define your value. Start with what you can bring to the table. Make a thorough assessment about where you are now as a creator and where you can end up and provide unique value. Really ask yourself, is it brand storytelling, commercials, event recap, or social media content? Of course, you can risk it and niche hop early on, but having a clear strong point in the beginning will provide a better direction in the future. Simply highlighting client pain points and crafting valuable solutions for their business will take you a long way. I'll share some tools later on to do this effectively. Step 2, build a portfolio. Stress the point that your portfolio is your calling card. No one's gonna hire you without seeing what you can bring to the table. Even if you're just starting, creating spec or mock projects can build credibility, especially free client videos. Even though it stinks to work for free, it's a must to start. But some quick tools I would use to build a portfolio would be Adobe Portfolio, Wix or Squarespace, or just something quick like Instagram like I used for my Winter Hill media page. All right, step 3, getting the right tools. Let me quickly break down some essential tools for you to use this year.
First off, editing software. Personally, I've been using Final Cut Pro for the last couple of years or so that's what I'm used with. I've also used Adobe Premiere Pro because I have the Creative Suite, definitely something to look into. But recently, people have been downloading DaVinci Resolve. It's been the premier editing software as of right now. It has the best tools. It has node-based color grading and stuff like that. So I would definitely check that out if you're getting into it right now. Then comes communication. You want to be able to efficiently send off contracts to potential clients and close off those deals. So I use PandaDoc. It makes it extremely easy to send to clients, they put their signature in and you close off that deal. Then social media tools. Obviously you want to use whatever is in the Instagram Creator Suite and stuff like that, what they're pumping out. Then you can use stuff like Canva, or if you have the Creative Suite, like I said, use Adobe Express.
For pitching, if I have a video idea for proposals, for bundles and packaging like that, I'll generate something with gamma.app and I'll quickly just add my touch after to humanize it. And then for social media tools, an easy one to jump to is Canva. But as I said, if you have Adobe Creative Suite, definitely check out Adobe Express. Now, I'll teach you a simple yet effective framework for pitching clients. It's pretty easy once you set your mind towards it. All right, firstly, know your audience. Use LinkedIn and Instagram to research potential clients, brands, businesses, or influencers. Then, it's your pitch value. It's not about what you do, it's about how you solve their problem. Create a video package proposal related to their business that's too valuable for them to turn down. Then, creating a hook is essential. In your pitch email or DM, grab their attention with a bold statement or some insight you got from doing your due diligence and researching beforehand. And to cap it off, use a proper call to action. Be clear and confident about your next step, like following up for a meeting or proposing a project. That really lets it sit in their mind after the conclusion.
Content creation is going to be naturally competitive, and a lot of people are going to hop on this bandwagon this year. So make sure you're continually showing up to your craft and learning as you go. Keep that as a mental token. Trends change fast. I like to keep up to date with LinkedIn and Instagram with big creators and just consume as much as I can, but being mindful that knowing I have to create as well. Ideally, you want to be creating more than you consume.
I like to stay up to date by using tools like Vimeo to study what the top dog creators are working on and what goes into it. And just consuming content from other creators that you like to follow or that are in a niche that you want to conquer. Content creation is going to be naturally competitive. A lot of people are doing it this year, but the people who succeed are those who show up when it counts. Just continually working on your craft. Just keep that as a mental token. But now you're ready to take action, and there's no better time than now to start your content creation business. What's holding you back from starting your business?
All right, if you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching. I'm going to put you guys on to some extra game. This year's 2025. A lot of businesses and brands are pouring money into marketing efforts this year. A lot of people need video content. Content is just king in general. So I want to share everything I learned in the past couple of years with everything I've been doing. And to share some key shit and key stuff that is important to the business and video production and stuff like that. There's a lot of game out there to learn, and I want to share it all and take you guys along the journey. But yeah, I'm out here working. It's a winter day. It's cold. I wanted to get some cool visuals. You got to put yourself out there. That's what I'm going to do this year, and I'm going to try and bring you guys along the way, share some POV, stuff like that, what I'm doing, strategy, everything. But yeah, appreciate you watching, getting this far. Let's make some money this year.